In this video, we are going to discuss about subclause 4.3, which is determining the scope of occupational health and safety management system of an organization. Once you have identified internal and external issues, along with needs and expectations, you are all set to define the scope of the organization. The scope will define which areas of your organization are under occupational health and safety management system. It is important to note here that every organization will have different scope of work because the internal external issues along with needs and expectations of interested parties are different for different organization. So keep in mind that by identifying all these things that we have discussed in clauses 4.1 and 4.2, we will be able to define the scope of the organization under the information of clause number 4, clause 4.1 and 4.2. Let us discuss summary of this section and see what we have learned so far. We have understood that the organization we need to define or implement safety management system. We need to write down the internal and external issues faced by that organization. Then we learned about identifying interested parties in terms of regulators, government, police forces, etc. Then we understood that we need to assess the needs and expectations of all interested parties, and with the help of all the above information we were able to define the scope of the organization. Now let us move on to our next clause, which is about leadership.